This video is about proportional graphics in gINT Civil Tools. Most often you might use this when you have environmental readings or other numerical readings where you want the graphic size, be it a sphere or a disk, or even a column, to reflect the numerical value that's being read with a change in graphical size. If I go to my gINT projects and I check my database connectivity, first thing you can see is we do allow the proportional size for any data type. So if I were to include lithology in the query, you can see I can do proportional size for my depth element. I can also do it for my depth length element, such as samples, and also for depth only elements. Here you can see if I include it in my query again, such as water level. I do have it set as a depth only element, and I pick my environmental data. Now here you can see I'm going to make my level creation. Even though they're all PIDs, I'm going to make it based off of the identifier. So here you can see proportional size. Instead of a fixed sphere or disk size, I'm going to choose disk because this disk is only 2D, and so it will make things easier to see for what I'm trying to demonstrate. I could have everything a fixed size, so it would read the value and just have the marker at that depth location. Instead, I'm going to choose proportional size, and I'm going to choose it off of concentration, and I'm going to make that proportional size of 0.05 and say OK. Now if I query all, and I have my disks. You can see that they are related proportionally based upon my environmental readings. I can click on environmental and get the details, and you can see my readings and their units of parts per million. They are now all selected. If I clear my selection and go ahead and select just one, you can see the details for that one are now shown in my properties window. So this is a good way to visualize and get an idea of the values that are occurring on my site and where.